Hello, welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. In this channel, we concentrate in creating handmade DIYs so that you can either give them or make money out of them. In most of the videos, I concentrate also in giving you the breakdown so that you know how much you're going to invest and how much you're going to profit. From right now until about the middle of December, I'm going to be doing different DIYs that you can sell for Christmas or that you can give to your family. Please go ahead and like my video and subscribe if you haven't, and give me thumbs up. That will really help me a lot. But for right now, let me organize my table and let's get to work. We are back and ready to work on this cute keychain that I created. Let me show you guys. Can you see it says Cassie around it? So we're gonna make one of these, and you can either make it as a necklace or you can make it as a keychain. And I'm gonna tell you what are the items that you're gonna need. There's two sizes that I found, and believe it or not, these little bottles I found at the Dollar Tree. And most of the glitter that I'm going to be using, I also found it at the Dollar Tree. I think that if you want to do a keychain, you can do the big one. But if you want to do a necklace, you can do the little one. But it's really up to you. So you're going to be needing either side, or if you want to make both, you can. You're going to need a chain. They sell them at Michael's. Or you can buy the chain. They already have like the necklace sizes in size 16, 18, 20, or you can buy the chain in bulk and make your own necklace chain, okay? And I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own with this with the bulk one. You also gonna need these hooks. These I got them at the at Lowe's, and see the first number on here. That means that this is the size number. There was another size that it was size 214, and they were just a little bigger than these. So this is how these ones look. So we're going to be needing that. We're going to be needing a glue. I use this glue, and so then also you're going to need the glitter. I have a whole bunch of many glitters all around me. You're going to need some rings. As a lot of you know that I used to have a store, so I used to sell all of these by the piece. What I'm going to be using a ring is a number 8, and then you're going to use 2 of these tools to open and close the rings, and you're going to use a cutter just in case you need it, and I have some scissors, and I have other tools close by. But also you're going to need the names. Now I'm going to be working on a keychain for Michaela. So here it is, my name, and I'm going to put a link of the video that I made on how to do. I use a Cricut, and how to you do cursive and how to bring it together, okay? Because usually when you pick a font that is cursive, they're not together. You have to bring them together. So I'm going to put the link of the video right up here. Okay, so now the colors that I'm going to be using is black, silver, and red. And these ones here, they don't have a lot of different colors, but I got these also at the 99-cent store. Okay, this one too was at the 99-cent store. I really wish they had more of these different colors because I really like the bottles. Okay, so if you look at this one, I kind of put the glitter slanted. Okay, but you can go round, you can do whatever you want. So this is going to be a necklace. So then the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of glue on the tip of the screw, just a little bit, and we're going to push it in circle motions into the cork. And go ahead and cover it, otherwise the glue keeps coming out. Okay, so all you're basically gonna do, you're gonna go right in the middle, and you're gonna go ahead and in circle motion You're going to do a combination of a circle motion and pushing. There it is. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and clean our bottle. And with the names, I'm going to put the links of all the items where I get them. And when you whip this out, you need to use a clear transfer tape, and this is the one that I use. I got this for a very good price, and it has lasted me a very, very, very long time. So what we're going to do now, and you can do it on any step. It doesn't have to be in the step that I'm doing it, okay? So next, I want to put the name. So we're transferring the name into the tape. And it's coming right up. There it is. So then we're going to go ahead and go in the middle, right here. And you can use different color vinyl as well. I'm going to put the link for the vinyl. Okay. And a lot of the times these little pieces, you can reuse them. I have used mine up to like 5-6 times. Papa. It's jumping on me. So here it is. You can see the name all around there. Okay. And this tape right here, I'm just going to go ahead and put it over here, and I can reuse it. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to decide how I want my colors to go. I'm using black, silver, and red. So I kind of like the slanted way. So I'm just going to get my bottle, and I'm going to just pour some, just like that. And kind of fix it, just like so. Then I'm going to put the gray one. And you can decide how much you're going to put, okay? Now for these, if I sell them, I know that I'm going to sell them for $5 without the chain. The chain is separate. Or they can buy their chain, or I can make it, but that's something separate. Just $5. If it's a keychain, yeah, I'm going to do $5. Okay, so I already put black, silver, and red, and I'm going to do it again and the same pattern. You can use as many. So there goes black, silver again. Let me put a little more. And to make these, you get like 6 of these for $1, and then 10 of the little hooks right here for like $1.29. And the glitter, I got all the glitter at the Dollar Tree. So I think you can make one of these, and it's gonna cost you about maybe $1, a little less than that. Once you have it full here, kind of shake it in the table so that all the glitter settles. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and top it off with the black. So I think it's cost you about $1 to make them. So if you sell them for $5, your profit is $4. But those $4 is for all the time that you invest in, and and all of that. So here it is. Okay, So let me go ahead and we're going to put some little bit of glue around it. Okay, I put just a little bit of glue around it. I think it's best if we let it dry for like 2-3 hours or even overnight. Okay, so there it is, Michaela. Okay, and now we're gonna let it sit here so that it dries a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. I found these hooks that I really like, but you can also get different ones. Okay, there's the ring ones, but I really like these ones. So I already have a ring right in there because I took it out of another keychain. I have all my things in storage and it's hard to like really find. I need to go reorganize. So here you're gonna determine what kind of chain you want to use. So I think I want to use this one, and I need to determine how long do I want it. So I'm thinking maybe about right there, and let's measure how much is that. About 2.5 inches. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just going to open it up or cut it. I usually just cut it right in the middle. So there it is. So we're gonna get the ring that is already inside here. Let me teach you something, because a lot of people doesn't know. Don't open, here's the ring. Don't open your rings. This is basic, but don't open your rings like opening up. You need to twist to open. Otherwise it doesn't go back to the normal form of the circle. So we're going to put it right here. One goes over here. And we're going to close it. There it is. We're going to make sure that it's completely closed. And then if you want to make sure, you can put it down once it's already finished. Add a little drop of glue right in here so it doesn't open. Okay, so now we're going to use another little circle, and we're going to put it in the other side, on the other side of the chain, and you put it through there, and there it is. See, very easy. There it is. You have a keychain for Michaela for $1. And so now let me show you what I'm going to be doing. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Really cute. They lack here, almost like a lunch box, but it's tiny. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a tissue paper in the bottom. You can get different colors tissue. And then I got them these little socks, warm socks for Christmas. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them inside, and I'm going to put there either the keychain or the necklace. And there it is. A nice cute gift comes from your heart to the person. I hope you like this video. But for now, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Be safe, and talk to you soon.